Start in 2 minutes. Hey guys, we'll need 2 more minutes. Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Ah, all good, all good. One second. Why Tata fell today? Varun, very interesting question. I'll just call Ratan Tata and ask him why Tata fell today. Very, very interesting question. Tata Motors full down. यार, why Mr. Ratan does this? बात करता हूँ मैं कल कॉल करता हूँ. Interesting. Okay. What happened today, guys? What happened today to our thing? I think it wasn't a very good day for us, no? If I was not in the morning, I checked. I didn't check in the evening after that. Let me open my. Oh, yeah, definitely not a good day. Did market fall? One sec. Oh, shit. Okay, so the market actually fell. So the market was actually little. Yeah, reversal has happened because when I was looking at the market in the morning, it was slightly up. It was at 53,124 at 2 o'clock. Tak it was on top, man. At 2 o'clock, it was at 15,134, and then it just dropped 300 points after 2 o'clock. Nice, very interesting. It dropped 300 points after 2 o'clock. I saw that Reliance was doing, and Bank Nifty is still up for some reason. Bank Nifty is doing really well. Interesting. Okay, for someone who was asking what happened with Tata Motors, there is a very clear article written about Tata Motors which says Tata Motors share price hits 10% lower circuit as company flags concerns over chip shortage. Right? So, for someone who was asking why it went, shortage of semiconductors may see Jaguar Land Rover report 50% lower wholesale volumes by the end of September 2021. Hmm, nice. So, for someone who was asking that question, okay, what else happened? What else happened to our other stocks? Let's check it one by one. Watch list. Oh, everything took a beating today. Okay, fine. Oh, Arman Financial 4%. Okay. Deepak down 2%. Explio down 3%. Okay. Who else? Kanchi down 2%. Loris down 1.5%. Oh, everything's gone down today. Nice. Actually, it's good. I'm actually happy it all went down by only this much. Can you guys tell me why I'm happy it went down only by this? RACL went up by 16 bloody percent. What the hell? Yeah. Saregama up by 5%. Okay, good. So it was not very, very bad day for me. Um, yeah, do you guys know why it's good that I'm saying that it went down a little bit? No, not because of averaging. Averaging is fine. I can't average again. कितना average करूँ? इतना भी पैसा नहीं है average करने के लिए. I'm saying it's good that it went down a little bit, right? Good that it went down a little bit because small correction is happy, is good, right? Yesterday it went up a lot of stocks went up a lot. Now if you think about yesterday, something went up by 5% and today it went down by 2%, so net to net we're still positive, right? Overall we are still positive, we're not negative. What happened to Subex today? It was on Subex, it opened up at I think 5% up, 5% up, and then I think it was in the trending section also, and down 3%. Crazy shit. It actually, by the way, it breached 71. Did you see that today? It actually breached 71. It went above 70. So that's a good sign. That's a good sign. So the market, okay, so think about from this perspective. The market was positive, right? And when it was positive, everything was up in the morning. Then the market became negative towards the evening. Everything went to being negative. That's okay. But at least now we know that when the market becomes positive again, maybe tomorrow, then things will go up again, right? So that is okay. So if we have a very positive market, all this thing is just a temporary dip. It'll keep going up more and more. So in overall, you should see in this last 1 week what has happened. Is the last 1 week, are you doing well or are you not doing well, is something that you need to see very clearly. Okay. ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. या ज़्यादा लोड नहीं लेने का, as people are saying, relax, don't worry too much. ऊपर नीचे तो market में keeps happening, but it's good because yesterday it went up a lot but it didn't go down too much. Look at the news on Live Mint. Rakesh Jhunjhunwala owned Tata Group stock hits lower circuit. Why can't you just say Tata Motors hit lower circuit, right? Why does it have to be Rakesh Jhunjhunwala owned? In fact, the real news should be Ratan Tata owned stock of his Tata Group goes down. I don't like such news. Whereas the real benefit should go to the people who are working hard in Tata Motors, not to someone who's just investing in. Oh, Pine Labs, bolke there's a company. I don't know whether you've seen Pine Labs in the past, but Pine Labs is a company where you go and put your debit card and credit card in different shops and like Shopper Stop or whatever. You will see that there is this POS machine called Pine Labs. So Pine Labs is raising $600 million fundraise they're doing, and they're eyeing a US listing. They're planning to go US with that. So nice. That's also very interesting. Okay, next. Wow. Okay. SBI has 6,100 jobs opening for all go. Sony Live has partnered with TCS for its OTT platform. So TCS is going to be the tech partner for Sony Live, by the way. Right? So interesting. That is also very interesting. Oh, by the way, today, did you see the news? What happened to the aviation stocks today? I want to check the aviation stocks. There was a news that came out, remember? Who's that? Interglobe Aviation up slightly up. Okay, sad. Should have gone higher than this. SpiceJet. Oh, it didn't go up too much, guys. It should have gone up a lot actually, but it didn't go up too much because the news came out that more people can now 65% capacity they can use. So I thought it will go up even more. But apparently, domestic air traffic expected to grow 42% sequentially in June. ICRA report has said that 42% sequential growth in air traffic passengers will happen. That means next quarter, who's going to give you very good result? Kuch ho na ho, that stock will go up little bit or for sure, right? See, Daniel Pereira is asking, where are you reading these articles? So, Daniel, I have this special team that sits in my office that, calls these people directly every day and they ask. It's a private server that news comes to me first and then I do all that and then I go and publish it to other people. I ask Economic Times, do you want this news? I've just got it. So, this ICRA report actually came to me first and then I said whom to give it. So I think I gave it. Now I'm reading it on Live Mint. It came out at 357. Abhi abhi diya un log ko. They were very happy. But yeah, very interesting article. So it's a private team with a private server. As simple as that. Okay, next. Why am I seeing licious ads everywhere? I'm not even a non-vegetarian, dude. Calm down, licious. Itna bhi you should not spend the money. Yeah, it's all hosted on AWS. It's a secret server. DD shares slumped 25% in pre-open trade on China crackdown. Oof. Oof. DD is the Uber of China, by the way. Southern film industry lost 1,000 crores during COVID. Wow. So apparently the Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam industry has lost 1,000 crores in nearly 18 months when theaters remained shut and off. My God, they were making so much money, dude. Not bad. And I don't think now people are used to going to theaters and watching. Right now, everyone is just like, I'm just gonna sit and watch all these news directly. Oh, look at this. Uniqlo India marketing head joins Kapiva Ayurveda. Oh, come on. What is this free trial? I don't have free trial. What? Yeah, interesting. One second, I have to send this to Abhinav. Okay, next. Twitter and Instagram may be integrating NFT auctions into their platform. Ooh. Twitter and Instagram may be integrating NFT auctions into their system, guys. Uh, that is nice because a lot of people see now. Joshin is asking what server were you talking about? It's a private server where the news information comes to me first from all over the world, and then I distribute it to everyone else after that, right? So It's a very secret server that I don't. It's a privately held AWS server. Like an Iron Man, he has his own server, so that way. So it comes to me first, and then I spread it across. I have a news agency in the as my side business. So we sit with typewriters, and everyone's putting all this. So yeah. No, guys, just kidding. I'm reading all these articles from Money Control, Live Mint, and Economic Times. So don't worry, guys. The news is from Economic Times, Live Mint. Nothing is secret. It is all public information. Everyone can get it there. I was just being sarcastic. Don't get angry and shout at me. Calm down. Relax. It's all public information. I just try to concise it and give it to you in a very sweet and fun manner with a little bit of jokes on the side, and we try to connect the dots when something is happening, right? Okay, see, one more connecting the dots news article. Tire manufacturers are going to witness 15% higher demand in FY22. Again, a report by ICRA. Okay, so I think you guys should follow ICRA for sure, right? Because apparently tire manufacturers will do well. Yes, there's someone's asking why, what is the reason. Very interesting. Okay, so what they're saying is improving. Okay, look at the way they've connected the dots. Oh my god, this is so insane. Guys, you'll be a little shocked with how they've connected the dots. You'll be a little shocked. Okay, they're saying with the improving pace of vaccination, okay, and more people who will now prefer personal mobility over public transport, which is also true. Healthy rural cash flows means now a lot of people are getting a lot of money. Okay, if a lot of people are getting a lot of money, then they will go buy cars. Okay, because private personal mobility is more important. And also monsoon season is coming in India, where your tires will get screwed up even more in the monsoon season. And because of that, vehicle demand has also gone up, which will lead to more vehicle production by automakers, which will invariably lead to more tire usage, where everyone will make money. Boom, insane. Crazy. I should join ICRA. This is mad, right? So now everyone's coming out of lockdown, right? Everyone's coming out of lockdown. Monsoon season is also coming in. So you're using your car more during the monsoon season. Tire will get screwed up. You have to give it for servicing, and when you give it for servicing, they'll be like, "Boss, आपका tire change करना पड़ेगा," and you'll be like, "Yeah, yeah, कर दो change. Figure it out. It's fine. कर दो, whatever, right?" And when you do that, more tires. My God, this is insane. So find out how this tire agency thing will work, right? It's insane. It's very nice. Very good article. This is how you connect the dots. Again, this was from Live Mint, not from my personal server. This was from Live Mint, yeah. For all the people who might get confused. Kya bolu, guys? If I make fun also, people shout at me. If I don't make fun also, people shout at me. It's just very sad. Oh, so Modi is making the Co-win platform an open source platform. Okay, so that everyone can see it. Okay, very good. So I can actually open and see who's vaccinated or not. So if you guys are coming and meeting me, I'll be like, okay, I'll just put your name and figure out maybe whether you are vaccinated or not, which is good. Fine. That's not bad at all. आज कौन सा दिन है? 6th है ना? Okay. This is boring. Not very interesting articles on Live Mint today. Let me just check money control once. Top news. GST collection for June falls to 92,000 crores only. Shah, it's gone down. Yeah, what to do? Oh, by the way, India's Morpen Lab, okay, which I think a lot of you like Morpen Labs, right? Um India's Morpen lab makes first test batch of Russia's Sputnik 5 vaccine shot. Right? So India's Morpen Labs is making the first test batch of Russia's Sputnik 5 shot. So interesting to watch what Morpen Labs is going to do or how it's going to react. Very interesting to watch. Okay. Sumitomo Mitsui to acquire Temasek India's NBFC arm Fullerton India Credit Company. Okay, very interesting. So someone else is entering the fintech space. By the way, a lot of people are entering the fintech space. Huh? It's become quite interesting for everyone. Yeah, no, that's very interesting. Someone saying Morpen Labs is making, but Dr. Reddy was also supposed to do. So yes, that is something that you guys should definitely read about. What is happening there? Bajaj Healthcare making a solid progress on its growth. Okay, let me stay away from that for now. Mm, what else? Just seeing if there's anything else. Nothing great today. Nothing great at all. Apart from Tata, everyone's talking about Tata Motors going down by 10%. Oh wow, BSE small cap index hits a record high. Apparently, it's going to outshine the Sensex in this year. Interesting. So the small cap industry is doing really well in our country right now. Mhm. NMDC share price falls 2% as government to offload stake via OFS. This is the problem with government owned thing. It's a little difficult to figure out what's going to happen. Could this be the right time to buy Tata Motors? Yeah, it's a temporary glitch, no? If you think about it in the Tata Motors space, it's a temporary issue that's happening right now. Right? The temporary issue is they don't have semiconductors, which obviously will be solved eventually. So don't worry about that. Mm, my opinion on Mark Sons, I don't know, man. Not too sure about. I've not done my research on that, so I won't know. Yeah, it would be a good time to look at the semiconductor manufacturing companies at this point. Yes, yes. HFCL also went up today and then fell down, right? So it was quite sad. I was watching it. I'm not invested in it. I was just watching it from a far distance. And I'm not too keen on HFCL. I mean, I know it's a good company and all that, but I don't know about the long-term sustainability of something like that. From a 2 3 year perspective, now it's trending, it's great, but also heavy cost of operations. I don't know, may work, may not work. So I'm just not too keen on it. But I'm not saying it might not be a good stock. It'll definitely be a good one. So I don't know. Not sure. I'm staying away from it, yeah. Mm, awesome. Yeah, I think that's it, man. I think there's nothing else. I'm looking at the news. I don't think there's anything else. Nothing else. Anyway, I'm gonna meet you guys tomorrow today at 8 p.m. 7:30 p.m. actually. You guys know about that, no? Or you guys forgot? Today is Tuesday, guys. Today is Tuesday. Okay, I'm coming today at 7:30 p.m. on the Avalon Meta Live YouTube channel. I'm going to talk about how to read a crypto white paper because a lot of people wanted to know about it. So I'm coming out today. I put it on my Instagram. I forgot to put it now, but it's there on the Avalon Meta Live channel. I'll be coming today at 7:30 p.m. Awesome, cool, awesome, guys. I'll see you soon. Session is about to end. Yes, Ayushi, the session is about to end. Okay. Thank you, guys. Disclaimer, guys. Disclaimer. Yes, I'm not a SEBI registered advisor, and whatever I said is not a recommendation to buy or sell. Please do your own research properly, and also read the scheme related documents carefully before investing. Thank you, guys. Bye.